directions on how to use the computer and the overhead projector. This isn't because I don't believe everybody is fully capable, but sometimes just switching from a different institution can be confusing, and our CSI setup is very different some of the other setups here at LSC UP. So I really wanted to make sure that everybody kind of understood how to use the interface. So the very first thing that you want to do is, if you come into your classroom and the computer isn't working, it seems like everything is turned off, is to come over here to the utility controller and check to make sure that this green light is on. If that green light is not on, then there is no electricity coming over to the actual computer, and so you're going to have problems with that, and we want to make sure that there aren't any issues. So that's the first thing that you're going to do. And then if you had to turn on electricity, you're going to come over here. There is a door underneath the computer, and you're going to come and you're going to look and you're going to make sure that this red light is on, which is on right now. You're going to see all of this, and this is the volume controls for everything that you need. And down here is your computer, and if you have this little light that's signaled right here, then the computer is on. So that is the first thing that you want to do. If your computer is up and running, then you're going to come over here and you're going to turn on. Sometimes this interface is all blacked, so you just tap it a couple times and that will take it out of sleep. Now there's this display power that's here, PC, laptop VGA, laptop HDMI, DocCam, and Blu-ray. And so those are all the different aspects of the different types of connections that you can have. Now, if you want to turn on the overhead projector, you're going to hit this display power. The projector is already on in this case. I made a video and then it kind of messed up. So this one, it's going to flash on and off for a few minutes or whatever. And then what's going to happen is you're going to look over and then you'll have the actual overhead that'll turn on. Sometimes, guys, I've been in the situation where this will flash a couple times and then the overhead doesn't turn on. So I have to hit it another time, just once, and then it'll flash again, and then the overhead projector will come on. Now, there are these that are underneath in the slightly different blue color that's there. Those are what you can choose to have displayed. So the PC is the default, and that's why you saw that on the overhead projector a few minutes ago when you saw it. But there's also other connections. So if you have a laptop and you have a VGA that's there, you can have that opportunity to connect your laptop that way. This is the one that I most commonly use, is the HDMI connector. And so if you have a laptop and you have an HDMI connector, then you can use that guy. The DocCam is if you have a document camera in your lab, then you can click that and it's going to show. And I can show you easily how you just click that. Do you see how it's blue now? You're going to come over here. You hit the on button and you'll see the blue light blinking there. And then it just takes a few moments for it to turn on. And you will see that you'll get this white that is there. And then basically, if you look at the actual camera here, you'll be able to see that my hand is underneath that. And you don't have to turn it on. If you want to go between this and then say you want to go back and use your PC, you just hit the PC and it goes back to the PC. This is still on, so you can just hit back and forth between those on this control panel, and it easily helps you get through everything. Now, if you need some help logging on, then you get to this and you'll notice that you can click away and nothing happens. But if you hit Control-Alt-Delete, remember Control-Alt-Delete, this will come up and you can hit OK. And at this point, you can log in, and it just takes whatever your My Lone Star D2L password is. then it's going to start opening it. I will give you a warning. This can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 10 to 12 minutes. Now, once you start using it, then you can see that one didn't take that long. But that's because I had made this video a few minutes ago and then I messed it up. And this thing took about 12 minutes to load up because it was updating and doing a bunch of, I have no idea what it was doing, to be honest with you, but it was doing a lot of something. And so the best advice I can give you is the first time you're going to log into this or any subsequent time after that, just get here enough time in case something's wrong or something happens so that you can log in and everything's fine. So hopefully that helps you in understanding how to use the computer in the classroom and anything else. And if you have any questions at all, guys, please feel free to contact me. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.